Started? Yeah, this is a 68-year-old man, and we are seeing this very often. You know, people coming with viral fever and then developing a consolidation-like picture, and people treating them for pneumonia. But what we slowly realize is most of them are having a viral fever, and they are having an underlying heart failure, maybe a heart failure with preserved ejection fraction, and then finally the heart fails totally because of the viral fever, increased demand, and then we have pulmonary edema, which is mistaken for pneumonia. So here is a similar patient who was being treated for pneumonia, but probably looks like he has got a heart failure. As you can see that he has his LA slightly dilated than the aortic root, and there is a LVH both sides, and there is even a dyskinetic segment, which during systole is still going outwards. So all features suggestive of a LV dysfunction, possibly diastolic, HFpEF. This is what we wanted to document, and we want to possibly you look at that same dyskinetic area here as well as here, this one in the short axis. You can see it. This is RV. Lateral is here. This is the interventricular septum. Lateral is this. So this is that area. And now we can see the fourth chamber. So what stands out in this man's echo is the left ventricular hypertrophy and possibly regional wall motion abnormality dyskinetic segment due to his CAD, and dysfunction causing heart failure with preserved ejection fraction, leading to that pulmonary edema which we are seeing. And this is getting to be a very common phenomenon in the ICU or AMC. We are seeing it in the last 2-3 years. We have seen lots of patients like this. During COVID time also, many of these patients with metabolic syndrome comorbidities, they would develop pulmonary edema, and people would think that it's pneumonia due to pneumonia. But yeah, so this is a very important condition which needs to be kept in mind, and we should be publishing it. Hopefully Harshini will. Yeah, that's it.